In this video, we are going to see how we can check our current location in Google Maps so that you can easily track down wherever are you at the current spot. So what you need to do is just first open up the Google Map. And first of all, if you want to check your current location, make sure that your location feature is turned on. So just swipe up and make sure that you have enabled the location option. Here it is. You can turn on the location. You can see this little pin right here. So to find wherever you are, you just need to click on this little blue dot on the bottom right hand corner. So just click on that and you should be able to see where you are at the current point. And after that, if you basically click on the compass view, you can see that you are in the street view, kind of a street view or the angled view based on the compass selection. And if you're still unsure wherever you are, you just click on this dot and it will show you all the details about that. What are the nearby areas? So let's say if we click on this dot, you can get all of this information that you are in this street, in this sector, and these are all the nearest landmarks. And whenever you want to see that option again, you just need to go back once, click on this location area again, and you can basically get that options. You can improve the accuracy over the Wi-Fi, it says that. So from here you can share this location, you can share the real-time location, calibrate your area like by moving in tilt. So compare accuracy would increase like this. You can shake, making an 8. So it improves the accuracy, and you can add a missing place too here if you want to. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.